Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can publish a story with a birthday greeting in Instagram. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure, friends, to put your likes under the video and write your comments. And let's get started, friends. And first, you'll need to open the Instagram app, of course. After which, on the left-hand side at the top, please click on your image in order to create a story. Or you can just swipe across the screen of your phone from the left side to the right side, like this. Now you're going to need to tap an option here called Create. I'm going to show it to you a little bit closer now. And it is marked with these two letters. You click on it, and that's how you go to create this interesting story. As you can see, a colored background appears. You can choose some background according to your mood, for example, which your friend likes more. And then you need to click on this option. As you can see, it automatically goes like a birthday card. And now you need to click on this line here and start typing in your friend's name, or as it's Instagram captioned. And then you can select your friend from the list. As you can see, you get a beautiful card like this. Now, what else can you add? You can, for example, move what you already have to your liking. You can also change the size of the inscriptions and photos that you have already added. You can also here by clicking on this emoji. You can choose a lot of things here. For example, you can add some music that your friend likes or just that fits your card. For example, you can listen to it there and choose to add it. To do that, click on the name of the song. Now friends, you will need to also, for example, add maybe a picture of a friend. For that, you will also need to click on the third emoji, and this is where you can select the photo. After that, you can scroll through, find a picture of a friend or you and your friend, and position it where you want, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, and so on. Friends, what else can you do? You can choose here, for example, to add some GIFs, or you can add some emoticons, so you have a very big choice of what you can add to your card. And let's say I choose some emoji at the bottom. You can also rearrange it. You can increase or decrease in size. You can move it around somehow. And once your greeting card is completely done, just click on the arrow at the bottom to share your story. Click Ready. And now your greeting card story will be ready and the person will be able to view it. This is the very simple way, friends, you can easily share your birthday greeting story on Instagram app. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to write your comments, please, friends. Also put your likes and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.